Part of the new safety plan for Gwinnett County Schools includes some new technology. A crisis alert system is now installed in all 142 schools. The goal is to help teachers and staff get medical or emergency help through a small wearable device. But it's already gaining criticism after teachers in different parts of the country have accidentally triggered lockdowns. Here's 11 Alive's Brittany Klein-Peter to walk you through the technology.
Imagine collapsing, unable to call 911.
It gives them a greater ability to summons help when they need it for like a medical emergency.
Or living through the unthinkable.
If they see a significant violent incident, they can put the school into a hard lockdown.
This little device is designed to empower educators to be prepared for all of it.
I see it being extremely beneficial for providing greater safety and security for our students, our faculty, our staff.
In an age where anything can happen. And it's quickly taking over districts across the state.
Cover over 70% of the K-12 public schools in the state of Georgia.
Gwinnett County Schools is just the latest district to implement the technology, equipping its over 22,000 employees with the wearable device.
Every employee will get one of these badges, regardless of whether you're a teacher or administrator. And it has the capability to pin your exact location, regardless of where you are.
With more users, the technology has created more opportunities for false alerts. A Cobb County employee triggered a district-wide lockdown last year, and this spring, Fulton County experienced 2 school lockdowns after an employee accidentally pressed their badge too many times.
We have different training programs that we have provided to districts that enable staff to practice the button pushes.
And just like with anything in education, officials realize...
And it's going to be a learning curve.
But say they're excited to get another supply for the classroom. Reporting in Gwinnett County, Brittany Klein-Peter, 11 Alive News.